started some trainings for mental health first aid. We're getting all of our officers through that. We've also been fortunate enough to identify a clinician, a psychologist, who works almost exclusively with first responders. And she has been kind enough to open her practice up to our agency. And what we've done is the sheriff's office have basically bought 2 hours a week out of her schedule in order to allow our staff to just go and see her as they see fit. She just tells me what they need, and I see that that those needs are met, and it's worked out splendidly. And I think that it's really helped us as a whole to not only destigmatize mental health, but also to make this job more sustainable for our folks. And I wish, we just didn't know any better 20 years ago when I started, but now that we know better, it's really been great. On a larger scale for first responders in general, it's been for years that if you were diagnosed with PTSI, it's an injury, not a disorder. If you're diagnosed with PTSI, you can't get a full benefit retirement the way you would if you were to blow your knee out or ruin your shoulder to where you couldn't work anymore. So you could break your body and get your retirement, but you break your brain and they tell you to get back to work. And these are the people who are the ones who need the most help. They need to be, they're trying to just make it through the day, yet we're asking them to do a job that requires every bit of focus and passion and compassion and empathy, and sometimes they can't even care for themselves, and we're asking them to do this job. So I took it upon myself and other sheriffs to really work with the legislature and try to get it moving forward, that we can get the retirement that these people deserve. And we've had very positive feedback. But what we're really finding out is that we all need help, every one of us, top to bottom. So it doesn't matter if people wear the uniform or if they're civilian employees, we all need something at some point. And I just can't believe the way that we've rallied around each other. And we've had some devastating things impact our immediate family that didn't happen at work, and we've done what we can to try to help everybody as we get through these times. And on top of that, we do a very, very difficult job. I'm super proud, but I'm also just humbled by how good they are.